I've been thinking about my sister. She was a master knitter. She knew about all the things knitting. And I've just been thinking, I want to knit something from the yarn of your life. I want to make a pretty thing, a scarf perhaps, something easy. I am a novice at missing you. You tried to teach me, but I was impatient, preferring a craft more imprecise than knit two, purl one, a vibrant yarn, your favorite red. I want to make something pretty, make something of this love grief, something that steps toward intricate, but not too much counting, please, not too much counting.